Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the megaphone in Avatar World. Whether you're leading a protest or act like a police officer, in here I'm going to show you how you can get the megaphone, the exact location, and how you can get it for free. So first, on this map, you just need to find this pool by the school. Just click it. So this is where you can get the megaphone for free. Okay, so once you're inside, you can just swipe until you find this megaphones. Sorry. Okay, this one in here. And if you want to use it, you can just grab it and give it to your avatar. Let's say I'm going to give it to this girls right here. So just grab it like this. Okay, now she's holding it, and here there are 4 animations. This one is talking on a megaphone. This one also. So you can just choose which animations that you want to use, and that's it. So that's how you can find a megaphone in Avatar World. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.